today's project is disassembling this chicken coop. I have a chicken coop here from a friend of mine, and it's to disassemble it and then try and reassemble it for my chickens. There's also 3 layers here that I'm going to take. So this is the job for today, to disassemble and to assemble this guy. I'm at the roof, on the roof. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so where we are now. Oh, no, a 6 spanner.
Is dat niet zo? One more note.
One more. Seems like every YouTube channel has got a dog. So here's my dog. Here's our dog on this channel. Her name is Spider. Not very vicious, but very, very alert. Say hello, Spider. Come. Isa. Isa. So the background story to what you see here. So we have this bunny hutch. And how I started doing bunnies is that I had put a few eggs on an incubator, and only one of that batch hatched, and it was a chick, but it was paralyzed when it hatched, and so my daughter fell in love with this chick, and we had to keep this chick, and eventually, because it was paralyzed, we had to put it down, and so she was very hurt, and I promised that I would get her some rabbits, because she doesn't like dogs. And the old one. So eventually I got her rabbits. So we've got rabbits. Now we also want to farm with rabbits on the other side of the farm. So we are going to keep a few rabbits. And so I've taken this bunny hutch, which I had bought for my daughter, but didn't fit through the door and has been sitting in the garage for months. So now I've taken it to the plot so that we can keep some bunnies. And the chicken coop that you see there on the next video, it definitely will not be in that condition. I will actually show it on that video. I'm very ashamed of the work that I did there. So yeah, apart from just the chickens, we are going to have some bunnies. I have them organized from one of my neighbors, and another friend of mine has offered to give me 2 from his lot. And of course Sherman the cow that we are raising there. So we have Sherman the cow, we have a few bunnies, possibly one of them will be named Bugs, and we have the chickens, and that's what we are currently doing. And of course we have Spider, our YouTube channel dog. Not sure who won. That one there, the boss is not even bothered. This is now a week later. I was here Saturday last week, and it's now Saturday the 6th. And yes, there is still some life. I still see some bees. Unfortunately, I have no covering on me, but the bees are still here. They are still alive, and I hope they are still in production. So yeah, I'm not going to uncover it to check any further because I have no covering, absolutely no covering on me. Please don't judge my makeshift hive. I was just trying to cover it from the rain. Okay, so yes, they're still alive. They're still producing some honey, I guess. We'll see when we come to get some honey, whenever that will be. Okay, this is our spinach garden, vegetable garden. We've got spinach here, and we've got beds of, this is rape. This is rape. It's a bed of rape also. And also here there's rape seedlings. Rape seedlings. One thing that we desperately need here is a borehole. So we are going to put we're going to mulch here. Desperately need a borehole. These are berries, some gooseberries. This is a gooseberry plant. I don't even know how they got here because the gooseberries I'm growing at home. So we need a borehole. That is the next big project that we have to invest in, a borehole. We don't have water here much at all. We depend on the rain, and there's been a very bad rainfall, or rather none of it. Oh, and here we have some chilies. This is habanero growing here. This is habanero. We are going to transplant it. All of this there is habanero. Last season we had butternut all the way from here to right here, and we've extended this section all the way there, and we've put this fence up for the bunnies not to come in. We're also going to start raising some bunnies now. We've got a bunny hatch at the back, and we'll put bunnies. I think I'm getting some bunnies tomorrow, and we'll raise bunnies now. Garden. Yeah, well, we had to put a fence here because the bunnies from next door are getting into the garden, and they are really destroying everything. So this is the extension. It ended right here, and so this extension is new, and it goes all the way like this one, all the way. So we've added a fence here so that the bunnies can't come in. So now it starts right here all the way to there. Yeah. Once these things get burnt, they grow faster. Yabona up. So, senjani yabo. Say all you want. Pula 7. Yeah, this is a bush kitchen. See, when you are in the bush, you have a bush kitchen. This is glass that I found at school, and this is some sheets that my neighbor was throwing away, and these are poles from the plot, and yeah, we have a bush kitchen now. Okay, this is pellets, molasses. It has molasses, it has lucerne, and there's corn also. Hello, when hello. Want to go out? Want to go out? Funu puma. Getting big now. He's really getting big. We got him at 7 days. It was 7 days when we got him, and he's going for 2 months now. Yeah, I'm not sure I can get the day he was born, but he's going for 2 months, and he's not looking bad at all. He's eating grass, and he's eating pellets now. And on Monday, I'm possibly going to get a Hereford, a female, and we'll see how he fares up with another calf with him. There was one that was here, and that one sadly died, and only this one remained. So yes, Slowly but surely we are coming along. Is a spider. Hey, Sherman. Sherman. My daughter named him Sherman. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.